very excited because the trailer looks amazing. It has Rasika. She is so good at her craft. Tigmanshu. I mean, I think the best of the best have come together, so it has to be really good.
Yeah, same here. Actually, I just saw the trailer. I was on the way, and I just saw. It looks really fab, and I'm really fan of Rasika's work. So I'm really looking forward to their work. Yeah.
Also, web series or on based on their partner.
Right.
Someone thinks it's a natural, someone crime. So what's your thought on it?
Sorry.
Someone thinks it's a natural.
It's natural. Someone thinks it's a crime.
Natural or something.
No, it's not a crime.
It's not a crime.
If
Yeah,
it was
even
a
I think.
crime, you'd be put in jail for it. unless you kill your partner. Now
I mean,
that's
if they
a crime.
don't have the connect, why will you force yourself in that relationship, right? So,
doubting a partner or doubting somebody is just a part of any relation. I think it's not necessarily a husband also. Sometimes you doubt कि मेरा भाई भी झूठ बोल रहा है or sisters also lying. So that's a natural human instinct. Of course, it turns up way more in husband and wife, and I think that's what we'll have to watch over here and see how they've dealt with it.
yeah, that's what I said. I said if you're not, if you don't feel the connect, why will you force yourself in that relation? So that's what I said. Yeah.
Okay, आप couple के तौर पे कहते हैं कि tagline है या for you forget or fight. ये situation in real life.
No couple will want to fight because you have to live together. But say, for example, I do believe in the forgive and forget motto. Not necessarily you forget, but you should learn to forgive.
I to always say sorry, whatever it is, even if I am wrong or not, I just say sorry and finish it off. I actually hate fighting. I want to finish that fight there and then, and I don't like taking it forward. That's
Okay,
why.
ma'am. So any upcoming project you'd like to share with us? Because recently we have seen your music video. Any
Yes.
upcoming project also you'd like to share with us?
Not as of now. ऐसे projects मिलेंगे तो ऐसे कर लूँगी मैं.
Really?
This is the kind of work
We all
that
want
I
to do,
want to
yeah.
be doing. So when this happens for me,
I think अभी
I
वो
will do it.
टाइम है जहाँ पे सबको बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट करना है and where it's shot well and executed well. So I think we all are looking forward to.
Himanshu, like,
Yeah, exactly. What else do you want, man?
Like,
Yeah.
where is he? I should be like, okay, he's on the way. That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. कितने excited हैं आप out of love?
यार आई थिंक एवरी टाइम जब समथिंग न्यू कम्स अप कुछ नया बनता है एवरी वन इज़ एक्साइटेड अबाउट द इंडियन कंटेंट बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट कि डिजिटल इतना बड़ा हो गया है एंड इट्स गुड दैट न्यू शोज आर कमिंग अप नाउ एंड देन एंड some you like, some you don't like, but it's great that there's so much content that's flowing. So I'm very excited because I'm working with Hotstar also. जिस बारे में हम बात नहीं कर सकते. तो that's why I'm here. So I'm excited for Out of Love. Great actors. I've seen them in so many places, so many movies, so many web shows. So I hope it's going to be exciting. हाँ हाँ इतनी खबर
और उसके साथ और ये नाना दत्ता ने हमें बताया है कि वो मिक्स लव रॉम टाइप है और आप इसमें एक एक्टर थे तो आप अगर थोड़ा और खुलासा कर सकें तो और अच्छा हो.
देखो मेरे जितने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में है उतना मैंने बोल दिया मैं नहीं यार आई थिंक आई हैड फन शूटिंग विद लारा आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क शूटिंग अभी चल रही है बट आई जस्ट रैप्ड अप माई वीक 3 days back so I'm very excited I hope people like it it's something I have never done and we've tried something I'll be glad if people like it and even if they don't I'll still try harder that's all I can say इतना ही है मेरे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट या I don't know if it's a crime. I think it's a very it's human behavior to have a liking towards somebody else other than your partner or your legal partner, as we call. because I think the rules and regulations are being created by us. Uh, I'm not saying it's a crime. It shouldn't be done. It's wrong, I can say, because ethically and morally it's wrong. Uh, but I feel everyone goes through that. It's not just, and by partners I just don't mean husband and wife. I also mean boyfriend, girlfriend, or any kind of partners. In any kind of space. Out here we're talking about relationships, but in any kind of partnership, there are certain legal thoughts, there are some moral and ethical things that you should not do. But I think when it comes to love and relationships, I feel people can fall in love with more than one person at a time. I feel. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just very glad that it's been 15 years. It doesn't seem like, doesn't feel like. Uh, I'm just very happy that people, all you guys out there, you've given us so much love. Even 15 years later, I remember, the digital space, my Instagram was buzzing that day, and I was very happy because, this shows that it still means a lot to a lot of people, and it shows what was the kind of impact that remix left, and I'm just glad that people still resonate with it, people still remember it, like it, and I just hope I can do more work like that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Man. Thank you.
Head to screen 6.
Thank you so much. हाँ? लोगों को ट्रेलर बहुत ही पसंद आया और बहुत ऐसे लोग थे मैंने सोचा था कि उनको शायद ये ट्रेलर पसंद नहीं आएगा क्योंकि शायद ही उनका जॉनर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स जिनसे मैंने उम्मीद नहीं की थी उन्होंने भी बोला कि उनको ट्रेलर बहुत पसंद आया, तो उम्मीद है कि लोग सीरीज़ भी देखेंगे जब 22 नवंबर को रिलीज़ होगी। जी जी I think it's a very common thing. Unfortunately, not many people talk about it. So other people also stop talking about it because they feel ashamed of a situation like this. But the fact is that it happens very commonly. And so the series is interesting कि जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है मुझे लगता है वो भी रिलेट करेंगे इस सीरीज से, और जिनके साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है वो उन लोगों को जज करना बंद कर देंगे जिनके साथ ऐसा हुआ है, मेरे ख्याल से। ऐसा कोई सीक्रेट कोड नहीं है। अगर आप दिल से अगर दिल से आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ बेझिझक वो करिए और बिना डर के करिए। जब दिल्ली क्राइम की स्क्रिप्ट आई थी तो कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं था ऑन बोर्ड, लेकिन हम सब एक्टर्स ने they believed in the story and that's why we did the show, and today it is where it is. So be a part of, without being afraid, be a part of stories which are different, stories which are compelling, stories which should be told.